Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just getting this little line here, this little bed to go over. I've got my poppies first row, I think beetroot second row there. I'm going to have a row of potatoes here. So I'll just show you what I'm going to be sowing. Yep, as you can see, Mary's Piper potatoes. I haven't bought any seed potatoes this year. Just thought I'd give these a go. What I left over just started sprouting, so I'm going to get these in. I'm going to get this bed to go over first, show you how I go about planting them. So let's get cracking. Here we go, that's the trench dug out. It's probably 12 inches, a little bit deeper. Let's get the potatoes ready, shall we? On a pot, probably 12 inches apart, roughly. Let's sort of try this little experiment. Let's see how well we do, shall we? If I don't get it, I don't get it. If I do, I do. Soon find out. So you can see the nice green shoots on top there. They want to be facing upwards, like so. That's it, 12 inches apart, all the way down. Make sure there's nice tops to them. But yeah, should be a nice row of potatoes, these. What I want to do now is just cover them. That's it. Don't want too much soil over them. Just enough for a few inches. And once they're covered, right, now they're covered, I'll give them a good watering and I shall wait for the first shoots. As soon as the first shoots come up a couple inches above ground level, I shall heap more soil on and carry on edging them upwards. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching and bye.